Wait, before you scroll, did you know you can download any WhatsApp video status in under 1 minute using only the official WhatsApp app? No extra apps needed. Let me show you how. First, open WhatsApp and go to Updates. Tap the status you want to download and make sure it has the Reshare option. If it doesn't, this method won't work. Now tap the Reshare button and select Share Only with your other WhatsApp number. Share it. Once the status is updated, open it again. Tap the three dots and choose Forward. Forward it to yourself. Now open the chat, tap the menu, and select Save. That's it. Your video status is now saved on your device. If this helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this with your friends. Thank you.